Today I'm going to show you how to set path if you have already installed in your system, not able to use that latest version in software. That is because of you have not set path or you have set multiple path to your environment variable. To correct that, search environment variable system property. We will open environment variable. We will double click on path. Here you can see I have set Java JDK 25 latest, which is latest version of Java. We will move the first. We click first option and then press OK. 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 Now we will check our Java. Open CMD. And now we will type Java minus minus version. We will press enter. Now you can see Java 25 is our latest JDK version installed, which is showing in our CMD also. If you like the video, hit the like button and also do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.